In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Xero invoice template and branding theme. Keeping your invoices on brand makes a big difference to how professional your business looks, and it can also improve how quickly you get paid. We'll walk through the exact places to click and what to look out for, so you can make confident changes without second-guessing. Start by logging into Xero with an account that has permission to edit invoice settings. Once you're viewing an invoice on screen, look toward the top area where you see the Approve an Email button. Just to the side of it, there's a small three-dot menu. That menu is the shortcut to more options related to your invoice layout and behavior. Click the three-dot menu and choose Invoice Settings. This takes you to the area where Xero manages how invoices look and what information appears by default. These settings apply to the templates and branding themes your organization uses, so any changes here will shape the appearance of invoices that use the selected theme. Next, open the branding theme you want to edit. You might have a default theme or several options for different branches, currencies, or audiences. Pick the one that's actively used on the invoices you send most often. If you're ever unsure, note the name of the theme shown on your invoice before you jump into settings, so you're editing the right one. Now update the invoice template settings. This is where you control the structure and defaults, such as how item lines display, the placement of your business details, invoice terms, and any standard notes you include for customers. Make thoughtful changes that reflect how you actually bill. Clear labels and concise terms reduce customer questions and help streamline payments. If your visual branding needs a refresh, change the logo, colors, or payment details as needed. Use a high-resolution logo with a transparent background for a clean look. Choose colors that contrast well with text for readability, and double-check that payment details, like bank information or payment service instructions, are accurate and up-to-date. Consistency here helps customers recognize your brand and pay with confidence. Before you commit, review the invoice template. Use the preview to scan for alignment, legibility, and any cut-off text. Confirm that totals, taxes, and dates appear exactly as you expect, and that your contact information is clear. When everything looks right, click Save. Your updates will be applied to that branding theme, and you'll see them the next time you create or send an invoice using it. If you ever need to refine the look again, just return to the same menu and repeat these steps,